Hey guys, I'm back. I thought I'd do a real quick video on three key fob features you may or may not know about on a GMC Sierra. I recently did this same video on a Chevy Silverado and I've been getting lots of questions. How do you do it on a GMC Sierra? So I thought I'd quickly show you. This is going to work on most of the later model upper end GMC Sierras, so just keep that in mind. So let's go out to the vehicle and I'll show you how it's done. First thing you can do is you can start your vehicle. What you want to do, you'll see you have the lock button. You want to lock it and then you want to hold the button in, looks like a little half circle. So lock the vehicle, then push in your little half circle and hold it. And that starts your vehicle. Okay, the second thing you can do is you can fold these mirrors in from your key fob, so if you're in a tight place and don't want anybody hitting your mirrors, or maybe you're in a car wash, you can use this. So what you want to do is you want to hit the lock button once, and you want to hit it a second time and hold it. So watch this. Hit it once, hit it twice and hold it. And as you can see, they folded right in. You want to open them, just hit the unlock button and hold it. And as you can see, they fold right out. Alright, the third thing you can do is you can roll all four windows down from your key fob. Why do you ask you want to do that? Well, if it's a hot day and you want to roll all your windows down, a little cool air in before you get in, you can do that. So how you do that is you have the unlock button. You want to hit it once, you want to hit it the second time and hold it. Once, second time and hold it. Now, as you can see, all four windows roll down. Well, there's a little programming you have to do inside for the window and the mirror operation to work. So let's get in the vehicle right quick and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, to set up the window operation where they'll roll down with the key fob, we got to do a couple things here. First thing we want to do is, of course, turn your vehicle on. We'll hit the little home button right here. Then we want to hit settings. We want to hit vehicle. Then we want to hit remote, lock, unlock, start. Once you hit that button, you have remote window operation. Hit that, turn it on. And that's all you have to do for your windows to roll up and down with a key fob. Okay, for your mirrors, I'm going to go back to the start and we'll just do it. For your mirrors, you want to hit the home button. You want to hit settings. You want to hit vehicle. You want to hit comfort and convenience. And now what we want to do is hit the auto folding mirrors. Then all we have to do is turn that on. And that's all there is to setting this up. Of course, when you get there, if you want to go back to your radio, just hit your radio button. And basically, that's it. Well, I hope this helped you out. Three features, maybe you did, maybe you didn't know about. If this helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. You never know what I'm going to come up with. So, till next time, catch you later.